Did you know that globally, over 52 trillion cigarettes are manufactured each year? That's an astonishing 15 billion cigarettes produced every single day. It's a staggering statistic, isn't it? It's almost unfathomable to grasp such enormous numbers. Despite the well-known health risks, cigarettes remain deeply ingrained in our global culture, constituting a massive industry. Have you ever pondered the intricate process behind their production? Let's explore the intriguing journey from plant to puff. It all commences with the humble tobacco plant, a crop demanding meticulous care and attention. Cultivated to ensure optimal growth, each stage of its development is carefully monitored. This time-intensive process sees the plant taking several weeks to reach maturity. The harvest is a laborious undertaking, with each leaf meticulously handpicked at the precise shade of golden brown, indicating ripeness. It's a task requiring skill and a keen eye for detail, a true labor of love. But the journey doesn't conclude there. The harvested leaves must undergo a delicate curing process to unlock the rich flavors and aromas sought by smokers. Enter the curing process, a delicate dance of air, flue, and fire curing, each method imparting its own unique flavor profile. This intricate interplay of heat and humidity can span from a few days to several weeks. Finally, after considerable time and effort, the tobacco leaves are transformed from simple green foliage into a product savored by millions worldwide. Once cured, the leaves are primed for the next stage, blending. Blending is where the alchemy transpires, as various types of tobacco leaves are skillfully mixed to create distinctive flavors. The harmonious blend achieved when different tobacco varieties meld together seamlessly. That's the artistry of blending. By infusing expertise and passion into each step of the process, tobacco production transcends mere cultivation. It becomes a symphony of craftsmanship, resulting in the familiar pleasure enjoyed by countless individuals globally. Blending is a pivotal stage in the cigarette manufacturing process. Each tobacco leaf, whether it's Burley, Virginia, or Oriental, brings a distinct flavor profile to the table. Sorting the leaves is a meticulous process, ensuring that each leaf finds its place in the right blend. Picture a maestro conducting an orchestra, with each instrument playing its part to create a harmonious melody. That's precisely what the master blender does, ensuring that every leaf contributes its unique note to the blend. After blending, the tobacco is primed for the next phase, cigarette production. This process is a high-speed endeavor, demanding precision and accuracy. The journey from blended tobacco to the final product is intriguing. Let's explore it further. Firstly, the blended tobacco is fed into machines that finely cut it. This step is crucial, as the size of the cut can influence the cigarette's taste and burning rate. The finely cut tobacco then moves along a series of conveyors, where it's meticulously measured into individual cigarettes. Next, the tobacco is wrapped in paper, but not just any paper. The paper used in cigarette production is specially engineered to regulate the cigarette's burning rate, striking a delicate balance to ensure it burns at just the right pace. Now, let's discuss filters. They are added to one end of the cigarette during the production process. These filters are typically made from cellulose, aiming to provide a filtration effect during smoking. Once packaged, the cigarettes are prepared for shipment and eagerly awaited by smokers worldwide. The speed, precision, and accuracy involved in this process are truly remarkable, transforming a simple leaf into a product enjoyed by millions. So that's the journey of a cigarette. From a tiny tobacco seed to a finished product, we've journeyed across the globe, starting in the lush fields where tobacco plants thrive under the care of dedicated farmers. The harvest season marks a crucial period, when the leaves are plucked at their prime and prepared for transformation. These leaves undergo curing, a process that unlocks the distinctive flavors we associate with tobacco. The curing process is an art in itself, with different methods yielding a variety of taste profiles. Next, we explore the art of blending, where various types of cured tobacco leaves are expertly mixed to create the unique blend for each brand. The skill and experience of the blender are essential in achieving the desired flavor and smoothness. Then, we witness the marvel of modern manufacturing in the production phase. The tobacco is finely shredded, treated with a sauce to maintain moisture, and then rolled into paper to form the cigarettes. It's a fast-paced, high-tech process that churns out thousands of cigarettes per minute. Finally, the finished product is carefully packaged and prepared for distribution. It's a journey that begins in the soil and culminates in a small cylindrical object that fits neatly between your fingers. The next time you see a pack of cigarettes, remember the complex process that brought them to you, a testament to the power of modern industry.